Hello children, hi, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's welcome to our new content. Before going into the content, let us discuss the previous content topics. What is our previous topic? Discovering the past. In this, we have learnt about history. What is history? Study of the past events. Archaeology, study of remains materials. Archaeologist, a person who studies through excavation and remains, is known as archaeologist. So today's our topic is Mesopotamian civilization. Mesopotamian civilization. Civilization. Civilization is a word derived from the Latin word civitas. Civilization is derived from the Latin word civitas, which means city. Which means city. Mesopotamian. Mesopotamian. Meso means middle. Potamian means rivers. Here we are talking about the two rivers, Tigris, Euphrates. These are the two rivers, Tigris and Euphrates. The land between the two rivers is known as Mesopotamian. The land between the two rivers is known as Mesopotamian. The land between the two rivers are most fertile land. Fertile means good for cultivation, very useful to grow crops. Why it is very fertile, children? Because it is very near to the river, which is very helpful for the irrigation. It helps in the growing crops. It also helps in the transport for trade. Mesopotamian regions. Mesopotamian civilization is divided into four regions: Sumer, Akkad, Babylonia, Assyria. Sumer. He developed the Mesopotamian civilization. Babylonia worked for its development. Assyria. After the development, he worked for the self-development. Next, coming to the society. Mesopotamians believed that their kings and queens were descendants of the gods. So, the society is divided into three classes: the upper class, the middle class, the lower class. The upper class, the middle class, the lower class. The upper class consists of members of the royal family, priests and high officials. The middle class consists of farmers, artisans and traders. The lower class consisted of slaves. Mesopotamian cities. Mesopotamian cities are divided into three parts. They are divided into three parts. First one, the sacred area, the ziggurat, the walled city. The sacred area. Offices and storehouses were constructed in the sacred area. The ziggurat. A temple was built on the ziggurat dedicated to the patron god of the city. Atop of the temple will be built with no ladders. They used to build slope area where they used to write it up. They used to decorate with the marbles, tiles and precious stones. The walled city. Residents were located in the walled cities and the outer city. Houses had a central courtyard with rooms around it. Coming next to the occupation, agriculture was the main occupation of the Mesopotamians. They built a well-developed irrigation system. They also controlled floods with dams. Mesopotamians were the first cultivate of wheat. They also grew barley, pulses and fruits. Script. The Mesopotamians wrote on a soft clay tablets using a wedge-shaped stylus or pen. This script is called cuneiform, and since they used to write pictures as well as words were used, the script is called as pictogram. Code of Hammurabi. Hammurabi, the king of Babylonia, created the Code of Hammurabi in 1780 BCE. In this, he wrote set of laws on 8 feet high stone column. Look after we poor needy people. It lists 282 laws dealing with family, economy and civil and criminal cases. Decline. Due to natural cause, the river Euphrates changed its course, so people lost their names of livelihood. Without water, people lost their means of livelihood. There were frequent wars over farmlands and irrigation waters. Children, I hope you all understood today's topic, Mesopotamian civilization. So let's complete the given task. Stay safe. Thank you.